Hello, my name is Dr. Jonathan Gillig, and I'm a joint replacement specialist here at Resurgence Orthopedics. My main subspecialty focus is on hips and knees. Today, let's talk about knee arthritis and knee replacements. So if you think that you have an issue with your knee that could be arthritis and you need a knee replacement, the first steps would be to schedule an appointment with one of us here at Resurgence Orthopedics so that we can look at your knee, and that will involve a couple of steps. The first will be to get some x-rays so that we can quantify what's going on in your knee, and then that'll follow with a personalized physical examination and history by your provider to better understand where the pain and discomfort is coming from. Once we have all this information, we can bring it all together with you and discuss a personalized treatment plan in order to improve your function and quality of life. So you've been diagnosed with knee arthritis. The next question is, what do I do about it? What are the treatment options? So treatment options range from a variety of things, from conservative things, including oral anti-inflammatories, to injections like steroids or viscosupplementation, all the way to surgical options. All of these are good, and we will determine the treatment plan that's right for you depending on the severity of your arthritis and your pain. The surgical options available for knee arthritis after failed conservative treatment include partial versus complete knee replacement. When we talk about partial knee replacement, the benefit of that is if you have localized arthritis in one portion of your knee, we're able to target that specific part of the knee and replace that one part. The benefit of that is a quicker recovery and a more naturally feeling knee after surgery. If that is not an option for you, there's also a complete knee replacement, which has similar success and great recovery. Both of these treatment options are usually outpatient procedures that allow you to walk the same day and help to relieve that arthritic pain that you've been feeling for some time.